Guys, welcome to my channel. Been looking everywhere to see if I can see how these work, and I've finally taken mine apart. This is from a Saphira 1.8B 2010. Basically this is the second one I've done now, and put fluid in here and it should come out here. Nothing is coming out of here. So what I've decided to do was show everybody how it's actually made. So I snapped this off here and pull this through here, which I do now. And as you can see, this is the plunger. So what you've got here is a rubber seal here, which you'll see fluid goes into this bit, your brake fluid, .4, whatever it is, and you've got a tiny pinhole there. So what happens is it goes into that hole there, and then you've got this washer here, which I'll take this apart now. Alright, and basically that fluid comes through this hole there and then comes out that end, and what you've got is a tiny seal that focuses, and what happens, obviously that goes, this can come out, push that through. I'll take that out for you. Find a screwdriver. Now everything's out to annoy me, and now I can't find the screwdriver. Right, anyway, just poke that through. As you can see, you have this bit. So this is literally all the bits for a master cylinder. So what happens is basically fluid go into there from your main reservoir, and all it does is you've got a tiny little pinpoint in here, and it fills this whole area up with brake fluid. And obviously then what happens is when you plunge that will go through, and then you've got holes here, and your fluid will come running through into there, past this tiny rubber seal, and then into your pipes and into the concentric slave cylinder. So that is how it all works. So I thought I'd do this as I can't find anything on YouTube about any of this being taken apart, so hopefully this just shows you the idea of how this works and might help you out if you have any other issues. Anyway, thanks for watching, speak to you soon.